Hi everybody, it's Jerry and
Cathy
and
Sunny,
and we are here. This is day one of
his unemployment,
my joblessness. So we are cooking in the kitchen. Actually, Cathy's going to be doing the cooking. I'm going to be watching and drinking this Dogfish Head 60-minute beer.
Yeah.
So what are you making today, Kath?
I'm making shrimp scampi. Okay, so we're going to be making shrimp scampi. As you all know, ow, he just bit me. Can you start over again? So tonight we're going to be making shrimp scampi. As you know, the meat in the grocery stores has been really scarce. There is none. So I picked up a lot of frozen shrimp at Food Lion in the frozen section, just those bags of shrimp. You want either large or extra large. I've already peeled them and they are ready to go. So this is 2 bags because of course I have the whole family home tonight. And then I have a half a cup of dry white wine. I use Chardonnay because that's what I drink. So that's what I always have on hand.
Stuff that you got there?
Yes. A whole stick of butter. You want about 3 teaspoons of garlic. You can use fresh garlic, minced garlic, whatever garlic you have on hand. This is oregano. My oregano in the garden is coming back, so I grabbed some of that. And then thyme, a teaspoon, basil, a teaspoon, and then this is pepper and crushed red peppers.
So it's black pepper?
Yes, black pepper. To taste, I put about a half a teaspoon and then a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. I just mixed it all together. We have a lemon, and then I had a little bit more because I'm kind of using more shrimp. And salt to taste. And then you can get your spaghetti going in another pan, because that's what it goes over. And then in the end, I like to add a little whipping cream to it because I like it creamy. It adds the extra goodness to it. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my water boiling for the pasta. I'm gonna use a whole box of, this is just thin spaghetti. I use the whole grain because I'm really trying to eliminate white. So, and then while that water is starting to boil, which it is, so I'm gonna go ahead and and I'm gonna use the whole box because like I said, I have the whole family home. Go ahead and put your whole box in there and turn it down a little bit. So I doused this frying pan, extra large frying pan, with olive oil. And then you want to go ahead and put your shrimp in, your seasonings in. Go ahead and just dump them in. And your garlic. I need my little and then I'm also going to put a little bit of salt. And salt you can do to taste. Okay, so you want to let these continue to cook until they are pink and you can't see through them anymore. Now, as you can see, your pasta has started to boil too.
Sonny really likes watching you cook, doesn't he?
Yes, he does. He loves it, actually. I think he likes the smell.
And this actually smells really
oh my
so
gosh,
good.
It does smell good.
And if you like garlic, of course you can add more garlic. Kathy's a little bit hesitant to go overboard with the garlic.
I'm a little sensitive to the garlic, my stomach is, so I try to use the minimum. So that actually looks good. Okay, so the pasta is done. I'm just gonna
dump it out over here.
And then run some
cold water over it because it continues to cook and it'll get a little bit mushy. Go ahead, Sonny.
And our shrimp is done too. What we're gonna do is we're gonna leave all those juices in there. And then I'm gonna put my half a cup of white wine, which cooks off, a whole stick of butter, and then a lemon. I'll try to get these seeds out of here real quick.
I would squeeze that lemon for you, but I just cut my hand.
Make sure for this you are using real butter or it won't have the same taste. Don't use margarine sticks. Oh my god, it looks so good. And the last thing you want to do, just let this reduce down, but I like to take and add heavy whipping cream to it. It makes it really creamy. And that was probably about a half a cup that was left in there.
So let that continue to reduce.
Yep.
And thicken up.
Thicken up, and then you are good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn the heat off, and because it's gonna continue to cook as it cools down, and also it'll thicken up as it cools down also. Right now it's way too hot to eat, so just let it cool down and thicken up a little bit. So I put my pasta on my plate, and then you just want to put your shrimp scampi on top with the liquid, because that's what gives it flavor. And come over here and top it with some Parmesan cheese, some shredded parm. I actually prefer the grated. I don't know why, I just do. And there you have it. Nice shrimp scampi.
How is it?
It's so good. Really, really, really good. You guys should all make this.